Magandang araw kabola. Sa video nito kabola, pag-uusapan natin, ang focus natin is wala na pong iba kundi si Greg Slaughter kabola. Ano po? Kasi nga po, ito pong kanya pong saga ay isa rin po sa mga pinag-uusapan ngayon. No? Kagustuhan niya pong bumalik sa PBA. So, hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po kabola ang subscription button. So, let's start po kabola our discussion po with the current standings kasi very interesting ito kabola. Kasi nasa baba, two of the three worst team currently kabola is Ginebra and San Miguel kabola. Malamang baka nasa taas nila when this video is posted. Pero gusto ko lang sabihin kabola that in a way this is a good start, no? This is one of the sign na good start po itong 50th season kasi of course we want parity, and parity dictates na yung mga malalakas na team dapat kabola yung umihi natin, and sign na ba ng paghihina ito ng Ginebra at saka ng San Miguel? Nobody knows kabola. Now, isa pang team na excited tayo mapanood is of course sa ESL ang Meralco Bolts kasi doon natin makikita, and maybe the last time na rin natin makikita na magkakampi si Ronde Hollis Jefferson kabola at si Justin Brownlee, arguably the top 2 imports kabola sa PBA in the 21st century kabola. So, sabi na RH votes to turn to facilitators dito po sa team po ng ESL ng Meralco Bolts. Basta I'm just very excited to see them be together kabola. I do believe Meralco can win this tournament kabola, and I hope they do, and I hope they dominate, and I hope we fans kabola will show up kabola to support them kasi they deserve our support. Meralco Bolts is really going all in with this kabola. So mga ganito pong galawan dapat sinusuportahan din po natin ng all in. So ano nga ba nangyari dito kay Slaughter kabola? The first article regarding it kabola, diniscuss dito kabola, kung saan na willing naman daw ang Titan na i-offer yung 800,000 kabola na parang hinihingi po ni Greg Slaughter. So walang problema dun sa mismong salary. Pero parang ayaw daw nilang ibigay kabola is yung kanya pong ina-ask kabola na mga additional, di ba? Mga bonuses kabola. Yun yung ayaw nilang ibigay kabola, which maybe, di ba? First, it's a good sign that Titan is willing to go to 800,000 if this is true kabola, pero parang sign din kabola na sumusobra din si Greg, di ba? Kabola. First, the moment he returns kabola will instantly become the biggest player in the PBA. And again, size matters in the PBA kabola. Wag natin kakalimutan yan. Size matters in the PBA. So, kung sino man po yung makakuha sa kanya, they will surely be having a good pick up kabola. Pero of course, ang problema kasi kay Greg ngayon, hindi niya na-prove hindi niya proven kabola that he's still at a high level skill wise. And again, alam niyo naman ako, kilala sa mga matagal na po nagbabasa ng ating vlog, ang nakikinig sa atin, we are a believer of the value of Greg Slaughter kabola. Now, kabola, ito nga po si Greg Slaughter, ang kagandahan niya lang dyan kabola is that Greg Slaughter is also being eyed by other teams. Actually, nagpapakita na nga ito sa sa mga games. Nagpapakita na po siya kabola. Nanonood na siya. Nagpakita pa siya ng opening kabola. So talagang nagpaparamdam ang isang Greg Slaughter kabola. And of course, he has submitted a letter kabola apologizing sa mga nangyari kabola. So nagpapakababa na siya kabola just for him to have a chance to return. So although it may indicate kabola na may in a way silent ban itong si Greg Slaughter. Now, Titan is not only the team that is interested to get him, according to reports, especially by Snowbado, Rain or Shine Conversion, Meralco Bolts are also interested to try and get him into a contract kabola. So, a trade is a possibility. Actually, it's a big possibility. Out of the three teams, ang pinaka-interesado nating makita siya to play with, for me, is Rain or Shine, diba? Kabola, I think Rain or Shine, Coach Yang Giao, I think there could be something special there. Especially na Greg Slaughter did show in the past that he can pass. And I do believe Coach Yang can actually maximize it in a unique way. Meralco is also unique in a way, di ba? Kasi they have a good coach kabola. And of course, Greg Slaughter, talagang ma-maximize mo lang ito pag magaling yung coach mo kabola. So overall, of course, we want to see him retain in the PBA. Kumabas, palagi gusto bang makabalik si Greg Slaughter? Comment na po sa baba.